Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video we're going to be reviewing these Dariute magnets. Now I do want to mention that I got this product in exchange for an honest review. So let's go ahead and get started. So I just want to go ahead and show you guys. They come in this box like this. So here they are. Now you do get 12 magnets per box. So let's go ahead and flip them over. And they have various styles. And yep, ocean looking. So they look very colorful. And so let's go ahead and try them out. Let's go ahead and put them to use right now. Also, before I forget to mention, you do get 12 of these in the package. Alright, so here I have a grocery list, and so all I'm going to do is just put the grocery list there. And there you go. It sticks on there. I do also want to go ahead and showcase the ones that you would buy like at a regular store. They're that small. So this is the one you get in the package, and these are like your typical other brand. But this magnet right here is a lot bigger, and it holds the paper there. And here we are again, just for demonstration purposes. And there you have it. And that is all for today's video. Hope you all like it, and so hope you all enjoyed the product. And there you go.